Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered this month with BTCC, absolutely incredible exchange who are currently offering a 10% deposit bonus on any size deposit, which is absolutely insane. That means you could deposit 10k on the platform and get a 1k bonus for doing absolutely nothing, not to mention all their other great features and bonuses including copy trading, etc. So make sure to go down in the description and get signed up with them, along with all of our other great partnerships which are all offering great rewards for signing up and trading, including MEXC, XRocket and many more. So just taking a quick look at Polygon then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. Overall, Polygon recently has been absolutely smashed down, hasn't it? As you can see quite clearly on the channel here. We've been heading down in this very obvious channel to the downside for a long while here, and really not having too much else to say about it. Polygon has been massively smashed down by Bitcoin's recent price action. You can see here Bitcoin's obviously had a really nice recovery and it's pretty much fully recovered all of the chop that we've seen recently. But if you look across the altcoin market, Ethereum is absolutely smashed down. XRP has actually coped pretty well, to be fair, but the vast majority of cryptocurrencies here across the market have all been smashed down and have nowhere near recovered in the way that Bitcoin has yet, as we always see in the markets, to be fair. But Polygon in particular has been absolutely destroyed. I don't have a chart actually with the full chart history, but I basically drew the chart history in. This is what Polygon's looking like right now. This bear market range low area here actually was Polygon had a really strong bear market, and then in this bull market it's actually just finally collapsed to the downside. As we can see, had a really insane bull market last time around. We obviously peaked up here at $3 or something, which is insane considering we were down at like half a cent or something. So crazy moves to the upside. Obviously you can see here basically really nice bear market. We only really dropped down to, what was this, 30 cents, so around a 10x drop, 90% down. But then since then we've absolutely collapsed, really in line really with what Ethereum has been looking like over the period of the bear market as well. If you look at Ethereum, quite a similar story. Dropped down around not 90%, but certainly around 70% or so. Had a very decent bear market where we didn't really drop too much, coming back up here, but then recently collapsed to the downside, and Polygon has been dragged down by that as well. You can see here Polygon has been absolutely smashed to the downside in a big way, losing that bear market low support. But recently things looking up a little bit for Polygon after coming down and tapping this 15-cent level. We broke through this level here, come all the way up. We actually took some liquidity up here as well, but we are still technically in a downtrend unless we can see ourselves make a nice lower low and a higher high and a higher low here. A higher low and a higher high, because right now we could still dump and continue downwards, couldn't we? But overall I do think Polygon and the rest of the altcoin market has seen enough damage and is probably, in my opinion, going to be bouncing back to the upside pretty soon. You can see Polygon here is looking like it could be doing with some relief, at least back up to this 0.23 Fibonacci level, because right now we are looking pretty sad. Thanks a lot for joining me again today for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up for a massive BTCC bonus so you can receive and get involved with all our other great partnerships as well. Thanks a lot for watching.